Hey there, in this video, I want to show you another automation that I just built out in make.com, which automatically scrapes leads from Apollo and puts them into a spreadsheet. So if you're not familiar with Apollo already, it's one of the best tools available to find leads in any industry, pretty much completely for free. But they do have limits on how many leads you can generate per month based on which plan you're on. So right now, if I come over to my credit usage, you'll see I've almost maxed out my credit usage. And every time you add a new lead into the database, you'll have to pay for one credit. So they've recently clamped down on that a little bit. And that's why I've decided to use Amplify to scrape the leads from Apollo, and that way I don't get charged for credits. So if you're not familiar with Amplify, it's just right here, amplify.com. They've got a bunch of different actors that you can set up to do different things, and one of them is Apollo. So there's this one right here, which can scrape up to 50,000 leads, which is a lot, and it's only about $1.20 per thousand leads. And they also give you free credits as well, up to $5 per month. So chances are you won't have to spend anything to start. And yeah, so I'm going to be using this tool right here. I've already provided it with the URL from Apollo over here. So if I go back to people, this is the URL. You just basically just copy and paste this into Amplify over here. And you can scrape right here. So I've just run it. And as you can see here, it scraped the leads. It put them into a spreadsheet, which is over here. So I've got the spreadsheet of leads right there. And it only scraped 100. I'm just scraping 100 for now. And yeah, so this is a really powerful tool. And I've just basically put it into make.com. So first I'm creating the Google Sheet, just calling it Apollo Leads. And then I'm running the actor and Amplify with the JSON here. So that's my URL that I want to scrape. And I'm just saying, okay, scrape 100 leads. And then I'm getting the items. So I'm just getting the dataset items. I'm passing in the ID from the previous step. So just clicking and dragging that in. It gets the data items. I put it into an array with the first name, last name, email, phone number, industry, country, city, all those fields. And then I iterate over the array and put the rows into the Google Sheet right here. So should be interesting to see if this runs correctly. I'm just going to run it real quick. And, okay, so that sheet name already exists. I need to change the name here. I'm just going to put, in this case, it's head of growth. So I'm targeting heads of growth at companies. Those are the people that I want to reach out to. And over here, I can put the sheet name. I need to create a new sheet over here. So I'm just going to create a new sheet. And we'll actually let's create a new one. So if we come here, we can, how do I create a new sheet? So I'm just going to create a new sheet and call it head of growth. There we go. And now I should have gotten this working before I did this video, but anyway, it should show up here. So there's head of growth, and that should be all there is to it. Now, again, it's saying that sheet already exists. So I'm just going to leave this empty. And there we go. So now it's running the Amplify scraper on Apollo. And this usually takes, I don't know, like 30 seconds, not very long, depending on how many leads you're scraping. And now, as you can see, it's just adding all of them into the Google Sheet. So if I come over here, we should see, yeah, there we go. So it's updating. There's all of my leads right there with emails, phone numbers, everything. And this is 100% automated. It looks like the number field is not working correctly, but that's not that big of a deal because I'm mostly just interested in the emails. And there we go. So we got 100 fresh leads, basically, in the database, in the spreadsheet. And now we can basically just take those emails and put them into some email marketing tool and send out the emails. You can use AI for the scripting, all that. You can use ChatGPT to write the scripts. And that way you don't necessarily have to use Apollo, although there's a lot of really nice features that are built into Apollo. it's actually a lot easier than going through and manually adding all these people into the database. You can just scrape it using Amplify. And if I refresh this, it should show my usage. And this resets every first of the month as well. So you basically get $5 for free essentially every month. And I could take a look at, yeah, I haven't even increased my usage. So I'm going to provide this full template, which is going to be available on my Gumroad page. Let me know if you're interested in checking it out over here. And it's free, or pay whatever you want. Pay whatever you want. So let me know if you're interested. And with that being said, signing off. See you in the next one. Cheers. Peace.